Welcome to Finolex Academy of Management and Technology. I am Ria and I am your virtual career counselor. It is difficult to select an engineering institute, right? Well, don't worry. I will help you out. Look for these points in a shortlisted institute. Infrastructure of the institute, qualification and experience of the faculty members, location of the institute, and the most important, the training and placement history of the institute. Now, let's look into the details. We already had a discussion regarding the infrastructure. In this video, we will learn about the second point, that is faculty. So, what to look at in faculty of a shortlisted institute? Well, look for the qualification of the faculty members. It is expected that all the faculty members should at least have a postgraduate degree. Experience of the faculty member is also crucial. So also, look for the teaching experience of the faculty members. Importance should also be given to the institutes from where the faculty members have obtained their highest qualification. Look whether the faculty members of the shortlisted institutes have completed their highest qualification from the premier institutes in India like IISc, IIT, NIT, VJTI, etc. It is suggested to opt for institutes or departments which are running approved postgraduate courses and doctoral programs. Contribution of faculty members in research and patents is also a desirable attribute. Attention should also be given to the books authored by the faculty members in their respective domains. Want to know about the faculty at FAMT? Here are the details. Finolex Academy has a team of 102 qualified and experienced faculty members with the average teaching experience of about 15 years. The team has faculty members with doctoral degrees as well. Most of the faculty members from the team FAMT have obtained their highest qualification from the premium institutes in India like IISc, IIT, NIT, VJTI, COEP, SPCE, etc. The faculty members of FAMT have authored and published 28 books. The faculty members are also actively involved in research and have published more than 700 articles in national and international journals and conferences. Ideas of the faculty members are also registered for patents. Here are the highlights of the faculty achievements. The faculty members of FAMT have received minor research grants from University of Mumbai. The faculty members have also received project grants from international organizations like American Society of Heating and Refrigerating Engineers, NVIDIA, Amazon Web Services, etc. The faculty members are actively involved in offering consultancy to government and private organizations like Konkan Railway Corporation Limited, Godrej, Johnson & Johnson, etc. For continuous knowledge upgradation, faculty members attend national programs on technology enhanced learning from various Indian Institute of Technologies. 32 faculty members of Team FAMT are among the All India toppers. 19 of them have secured gold medals and 115 of them have received elite grades. The work of faculty members in various domains is also recognized by national and international agencies and have been conferred with honors like Best Teacher Award, Best Dean Award, and Student Branch Advisor of the Year Award. Thus, FAMT has become the only engineering institute from Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg districts to offer undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD courses in engineering. Here are few glimpses of the faculty team of FAMT. Want to know more about the faculty team of FAMT? Please visit www.famt.ac.in. You can also talk to us on these numbers. Thank you.